Pinakamalaking pasabog ng 2025. Guys, studio tayo sa Ore Tower. Yun! Balbos mo kasi nito. May pa ganito pa.
Foreman.
Dami nagtataka bakit andito tong Patrick 69. Napanood ko na to eh. Ayan guys, tara. Lalakad tayo sa BGC makaganti. What's up guys? Another watch, another day. Very exciting today. Ito, wala muna tayong transaction today. Pinakamalaking pasabog ng 2025. We're bringing Gentry to BGC guys. Ito na yung pinakamalaki namin project so far. Overwhelmed na guys. Tingnan nyo, nasan na tayo ngayon, di ba? Gusto nyo malaman kung saan yung magiging Gentry ng BGC? Abangan nyo, papakita ko sa inyo mamaya. Tara, samahan nyo ako. Syempre, andito yung buong Gentry team, guys. Actually, matagal na namin pinag-iisipan to, guys. It's been months na inaayos namin, pinaplano namin, naghanap kami ng shop place dito sa BGC. And we were so blessed na makakita ng isang napakagandang location and na-approve tayo doon. I can't ask for anything more. At meron pa ako isang pasabog mamaya kasi tama ang hinala ng lahat. So here we are, guys. Kung makikita nyo, this is the 9th Avenue and ito is 31st Street, the iconic W building. Dinan de Luca is just right around the corner. And then here we have Krispy Kreme. I can see Fort Nike. We're just around 100 steps away from the High Street. The hotel is right here on our left. Open space na parking. This is the famous Track 30. At tawag na dito guys, Track 30. This is where people do jogging, take their dogs out, work out. Here we are. Guys, so dito tayo sa Ore Tower. This exact corner will be 31 by Gentry timepieces. Bakit? We're at the 31st Street. Tsaka 31 years old daw ako ngayon eh. Kaya dapat 31 daw eh. Yun! Okay, what's up, what's up? Guys, welcome to the new 31 by Gentry timepieces. Ito pa lang siya, bare pa siya. Quite big actually. Sama ba? Anyway, it's quite big actually. This is 150 square.
Ito mga engineer yan ha. Si Foreman ba yan?
Balbos mo kasi nito. May pa ganito pa.
Ay, Foreman.
Okay natin. Ito pa. Ayun oh. Imagine mo, shirtless ako bo. Na ganito. Kita ko. Napanood ko na to eh.
Ako, fireman ako.
Ano sa'yo?
Fireman. Foreman.
And here is the 31 by Gentry timepieces guys. So guys, welcome. This is what it's going to look like. 31. Groundbreaking ceremony. Gusto nyo makita yung perspective guys? This is what's going to look like after we build it. Magaling yung engineer namin.
Ingat.
Yeah, picture taking tayo. Let's go! Another pasabog guys, kung nakikita nyo. Dami nagtataka bakit andito tong Patrick 69. Patrick 69 is officially part of Gentry timepieces. Dami sa comments nagtatanong kung bakit dyan lagi yan, ba't nakatambay yan dyan? Kasi nga, part siya ng Gentry timepieces. Gusto nyo ba mag-vlog yan? Comment nga. Magpa-vlog ka din daw.
Muna. Mayayin pala.
Kilala niyo naman si paring Relit, di ba? Si Boss Omar. Kilala niyo si Boss Manager. Germany, wala no? Sayang, kawawa si Germany. Maraming salamat sa pagpunta. God bless guys, you're the best.
Hindi ko na ba rin?
Bagay.